Hi guys, magandang hapon. Medyo happy tayo in a sense na napakinggan natin yung words ng United States of America President Donald J. Trump. Happy lang tayo because he mentioned biological warfare, which means he is really serious on chasing China's COVID-19. A great news na rin ho yun para sa atin because when you say biological warfare, it means there is a secret war happening. The secret wars, kung maaalala ninyo, pagdating ko ng Pilipinas, nag-live ako. I did try to mention the secret wars that were happening in China and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. There is a secret war happening on it, and there is an obvious war between Yemen and Saudi Arabia. And I'm just happy that the President of United States mentioned biological warfare on the United Nations. And I am also happy that he mentioned he, as the President of United States, ended 4 wars at the same time. I hope there will be closure between the war of Middle East and Yemen. Kasi pag ako pumunta sa agency, tapos napagbigyan maribayo ka, ma-check yung magkaroon ka ng re-entry sa Hazan at Hazan ka rin pupunta. At yan yung lugar na merong giyera. And when it comes to biological warfare, ito yung germs, bacteria, virus. There is a secret war that is happening on it. I saw it. I witnessed it. Bakit? Dahil napunta tayo ng Hazan, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And I'm happy to be able to hear the word from the US President Donald Trump, the biological warfare, which means now you know. And if you want to learn more about it, please go ahead and watch Unit 731. That's it.